In this video, we're going to talk about Capterra side hustle. This is just an easy website where you make money online, okay? So we're going to talk more about this right after this. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. If you're new or old subscriber, you're most welcome to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click on the red button. Okay, so let's get direct to what Capterra is and how it looks like. Okay, go to your browser, any browser, Firefox or Chrome. Capterra.com. Okay, this is the website, capterra.com. So in this website, you are just going to review softwares that you have already used. Okay, the softwares that you have already used in your phone, on your PC or tablet, you are going to review, and then you are paid. So you get paid through gift cards or PayPal, as simple as that. Okay, so let's get direct to the business. First thing, you have to sign up. Me, I already signed up, so for you who is new, you can sign up, and then you go to write a review. Okay, so let's wait and write a review. So you should follow every step that I'm going to take here, every step. Don't miss everything out. Okay, so you can see here there are a lot of softwares that you can just review about. A lot of products here, you can see, you can review about them. See, over 30,000. Okay, so let's get any that is simple, that you think you can do. Let me say this. Okay, we are here now. So the next thing you have to do is you should feel the same way I'm going to feel here. If you already have this, you can use it. Okay, but if you do not have, you can feel from the way I'm going to feel right now. First of all, you give your name. You don't have to write my name, you write your own name. Okay, and your email. Okay, and then follow what I'm going to write here. This is the one that you are going to follow. Okay, job title, freelancer. Yeah, organization, you can put any name. Okay, hope you're getting me. Okay, so select the industry. You can select any. For me, I can go for let me say human rights resources. Okay, so here you can select any of these. If you already know about the product, you can select anything. You can select that. So me, I know nothing much about it, so can select this. Okay, so how frequent do you use this software? So you can put daily. If you use it daily, you can put daily. You use it weekly, you can put weekly. Monthly, you put monthly. Okay, so me, I know little about it, but I will just put weekly. So here, what's your role? So you say I'm just a user. Okay, I'm a user. Next. We forgot to keep this. We forgot to keep this. Company size, put yourself only. Say myself only. Okay, and then at least you put 1 to 3 years. Okay, yeah, so that they put more trust on you. Okay, next. Rate them high, give them 5 star. This will increase your chance that your review will be accepted and you'll be given the money. Okay, forget about this. You can rate here. If you think those who have already used the product, you can compare the price. Me, I can say is inexpensive. Okay, so here you can give how you can suggest to your friend. 9. Yeah, you have to rate them high so that you can what we need is the money. Okay, like I told you, I'm here for business. So this is where we are going to do the review. This is the review site. Okay, this is the review site. This is where they're going to pay you. This is where they're going to read all what you have written and then pay you. Now, for those who really know about the software, you can write the review about it. But for people who are so lazy like me, I'm going to show you an easy way to put the review. Okay, so let's start here. We're going for another website. Let me say it's called it's called getapps.com. okay, this one here. So come here, copy this. You're going to copy this, or you can just type it. Me, I'm too lazy to type, so I just need simple things. Okay, paste here, enter. It's here. Yeah, you have to click on the review. So you are here at the review. You see too many people have reviewed about this software. You see too many people. So you are just going to select any of this and then paste. But before you paste there, you have to change, we have to change the way they wrote their own, because if they see it's similar, they will definitely not pay you. So you have to change this writing. Okay, that's where we're going to get another website. This is our last website. Okay, it's called Spinbot. It's already there. Spinbot. You see here the first one, Spinbot. This one here. So we come here. Let's get back to Capterra. Okay, first are the pros. Those are the good side of the software. So you come here. Okay, you come to our get app. You see here it's even written here, pros. Okay, we copy this, copy the pros, and then come to the Spinbot, paste. It's already here. So here, spin it. You still have to take some small test. Okay, as easy as that. You are not going to keep on doing that test. It's just because we are we just entered the website, so you have to do that. You see, they've changed the meaning. Okay, they've changed the meaning. So you copy this, come here, copy. Okay, we get back to Capterra, paste. Okay, get back again. Get back to the get app. We have the cons. Okay, copy. As easy as that. Come here, delete this one. We delete this one, paste this one. This is a new one. Spin it. Okay, hope you are getting me. You have to follow me. You have to follow all the steps. If in case you are left behind, you pause the video and then go back again and check. Okay, now we have changed the meaning of the translation. Okay, copy, come to capterra, paste here. Okay, now we are left with 1, 2. Come back again here. Now this one here is the overall review. Okay, let's look for another writer. Like this one here, you have written something good. Okay, we copy this, we come to our spin board, we delete the old one. Okay, and paste this new one. They've changed the meaning. You see, they are not the same. You can see here, they've changed the meaning. They've not changed the meaning, but they have changed the way it's written, but it's having the same meaning. So it will look different from what you paste in the website. Okay, so come here. This is optional, but you can just put so that you have high chance of being accepted for the review. Okay, so we are left with this small one here. So you can just write anything you like. Okay, you can write anything, but me, I'm lazy. Like I told you, I'm lazy to write stuff. So try to see this guy here, best and easy grammar. Sorry. Just write anything. Best to use. The software. Okay, as simple as that. Now let's come here. We are almost done. Did you switch from another product? Say no. No, don't need to write. Okay, agree with this. As simple as that. Submit. Okay, and then you have to do some small test to show that you are not a robot. Okay, taxi, verify, tire. You see here, your product review has been submitted. See, it's done already. So as simple as that, you go to your email. Okay, you go to your email. As simple as that, you go to your email and then you see the message they've sent to your email. Or let me show you. Okay, let me show you so that you believe this guy is right. Go to your email. Okay, this is my email that I use for NZ. Okay, see capterra review here. Okay, see, so you have to wait for around 3 weeks for the process, and then if your review is okay, they just pay you the money. As simple as that. Very easy way to make money. Okay, so we have come to the end of our video. Okay, we have come to the end of the video. So if you find this video so helpful and it helped you, you can drop some comment. If it helped you in any way, you drop comment. Okay, if you try the thing and it works for you, you drop me a comment. Okay, I will appreciate it a lot. Okay, so let's meet next time. Bye for now.